Congratulations. It was a pleasure serving you. Let's go and tour this beautiful property together. Alright, we finally made it to the entrance of castle. They charge another 65 Turkish lira to get into the original main castle, and just want to see how is it. I didn't know you can actually come all the way here with your car. Well, I guess live and learn, because I did rent a car. Let's talk about that. $20 a day, can't beat that. And honestly, this car is very similar, I guess, to the one is parked over there on the other side, and it's the same company as Renault. Renault is a French automotive, and just like, for example, we got Lexus and Toyota, or Infiniti and Nissan, Renault made another little lower level car, which is still a beautiful car, called Dacia. And I got this little hatchback Dacia, which is really fuel efficient and use very minimum gas, and because it's hatchback you can park anywhere. I literally love that car. Okay, so this is the residue, or what's left out of original castle. Yeah, it's amazing. Alright, I want to go that way because that's where the view is, and then we're going to continue this way. Now we're getting to the heart of this thing, and I came a long way to come all the way here to take this video for you guys, so you guys can see what is this beautiful iconic place have to offer. Look at this. Wow, beautiful atmosphere. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Obviously right around here, and we're gonna basically circle around and come here and get here and go down again. So let's go. Okay, what do you guys think overall? These are stuff that I fall in love with. The peace, the quietness, this feeling of relaxing. It's like a meditation spot in here. Generally speaking, the entire town is very peaceful, and as I said, we have about 70% of people that live here. They're either European or from United States or Canada, and mainly people that got a little bit of money, at least, because it's not a cheap city to live in. Especially if you want to buy a property, since you can't get a loan, you gotta pay cash, or you gotta pay it in payment during the construction phase. So obviously you gotta have some money to invest. But anyway, let's go and check this wonderful place. I'm so excited. This is the second time I stayed in Alanya. Last year around this time, in December of 2021, I was here too, but because I was looking for different properties and all that, I really never had a chance to make it to the top of this castle. It was in my bucket list. Now I'm so excited that I'm finally here, and I'm trying to share my experience with you guys as well. Hopefully you like it. I totally fall in love with this town. I mean, look, as you can see, people that pass by, they're from everywhere in the world. And everybody very nice and friendly, and this is the true multipod that oh, hey, my friends during my ride, my Ukrainian new friends. As I said, this melting pot of people actually created the real meaning of what the united human being means. Look at this. This is insane view. I'm gonna go a little bit further in here so you guys can understand what's up. I'm gonna go a little further down and then go again. Look at the distance from the mountain. That's it. That's all you got. Taurus Mountain, Mediterranean Sea, and it's so calm and so relaxing. It's just insane. I don't know. I probably said it already 10 times, but I can't get enough of it. It's just so relaxing, this place. It's just wow. Okay, let me do a little panorama view for you. Obviously, this was the Cleopatra Beach, which is on the other side of the castle. We are already pretty much on top of this wonderful castle that is 800 years old. My buddy is talking. I think he's the security of here. He had a security on his shoulder. Anyway, look. What a relaxing spot, huh? Okay, on the other side of this hill or small little mountain or whatever you're gonna call it is the other beach called Skele, and that has all the other type of beauties. But without further ado, let's continue. See, here's another people from all other part of the world. Based on knowing people and their languages, and they're from probably Uzbekistan, because they also speak Russian language, because they all used to be part of old big Russia, but now they're all small countries. Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, their language, the original language is probably like 50% like Turkey. And a lot of people actually moved here because of all this investment opportunities, and obviously growing city that needs a lot of different type of labor and work and everything. And they're here, but their main language is Russian. We also have a lot of Scandinavian people from Sweden, Finland, Norway, all over the world. This was obviously German, as you saw. So there's people from all over the world. That's awesome. Let me go upstairs and check this wonderful place. Beautiful. Wow. Let's go. Hi. Okay, that's it. We are officially on top of Alanya. I'm gonna go in 3 different zoom. This is 1x. This is 3x. I don't know if you guys can see that a lot of Alanya from here. And I'm gonna go 10x zoom. Bam. All right. Let me take a little photo of that. Okay. Now we're back to wide angle. Look at this. That's it. There's only one place in the earth that give you this kind of, you look at this castle wall that is going all the way around and coming from other side down. So when I get to that side, the Escalé beach, basically, I will have a little video of the other side of castle for you. But let's look. Sorry. We are officially at the highest point of Alanya, on the roof. So let's see all the people from all over the world. I love it. All right, we are officially at the highest point of this castle. Amazing castle. Look at this. Wow. That's it. On top of Alanya. All right, here we're halfway through this beautiful, lovely castle, and it's just amazing. I'm going to do a little panoramic view for you guys to see what's going on. This is where people are going, and right behind me, this is where the beautiful Alanya is. Wow. And right here, right behind my head, is Escalé, which my next video I'm gonna go there. Check this out. Wow. Look at the entire town is built between Mediterranean Sea and Taurus Mountains. Beautiful. Wow. Let's go and check it out. Right. We made it to the top of this telecabin. Behind me is that iconic castle. I'm going to do a panoramic view for you so you can see what's up in here. Sorry, my hair is all over the place because it's so windy and also so humid. That being said, this is where you get in, and that's it. Behind me, man, this is the wonderful city of Alanya. Paradise on earth. Love it. Alright, I'm about to get into my cabin to see, go down this.
Buyurun binebilirsiniz. Buyurun binebilirsiniz. Yağmur yağıyor, kalabalık. Kalabalık geliyor, bir an önce binelim biz. Ben bekleyeyim. Böyle alalım, bilirsiniz.
Alright. I love Alanya. It's right there in front of us. Beautiful view. Let's see how we're gonna go down. Alright, we are about to arrive to destination. Going down, and hopefully I can go to the other side of this beautiful castle to get some video of the other beach, which is called Escalé Beach. See you guys there.